Assalamu alaikum, my name is Abdul Rahman. Welcome to my YouTube channel Islamic and GK vlog. Now we are going to talk to you about chemicals and its characteristics. Carbon derives its name from the Latin word carbo, which means coal. It is also referred to as the building block of life. In fact, all living things contain carbon in some form. In nature, carbon is found in different physical forms or allotropes due to its ability to link with other elements. Graphite, diamond and charcoal are the well-known allotropes of carbon. Graphite is heat resistant and a very good conductor of electricity. It is used in manufacturing many products for many different industries such as steel manufacturing, automobile and high-tech industries. Alkaline batteries, lubricants and brake linings are some other examples. Graphene is the thinnest material on earth and is formed of one atomic layer of graphite. The air is essentially a mixture of gases and has about 78% nitrogen. Nitrogen is present in all living things. Human bodies contain 3% nitrogen by weight. It is an essential nutrient for plant growth. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless under normal conditions. Nitrogen compounds are found in foods, fertilizers, poisons and explosives. Nitric acid and ammonia are used in the production of fertilizers. Nitroglycerin is used to manufacture explosives such as dynamite. It is often used in the demolition and construction industries as well as by the military. Nitrous oxide, also known as laughing gas, is used as an anesthetic for surgeries. Nitrous oxide is also added to the fuel of racing cars to increase their power and speed. Phosphorus is a highly reacting metal. In its natural state, it is found in minerals called phosphates and not as a free element. It has white, red, violet and black allotropes. White phosphorus is spontaneously combustible when it comes in contact with air. It can be stored safely only in water. Red phosphorus is much more stable at room temperature. Phosphorus compounds are used in fertilizers. Phosphorus-based pesticide, very common. Red phosphorus is used in safety measures as it catches fire easily using friction. Ionically, it is also used in flame retardants. It also finds its way into our daily use products such as toothpaste and shampoo. British scientist Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen in 1774 during an experiment where he was heating red mercuric oxide. He found that a colorless gas was released during the experiment which helped the flame burn and kept a mouse alive. He named the gas dephlogisticated air. It was later named oxygen from the Greek word oxygens meaning acid producer. It is produced by plants and trees through the process of photosynthesis using sunlight and carbon dioxide. It is estimated that on average every tree produces nearly 260 pounds of oxygen in 1 year. However, a majority of the oxygen on earth is produced through phytoplankton found in the ocean. The chemical formula of water is H2O. A single molecule of water is made of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, but more the salt in the water, the lower the freezing point. Seawater usually freezes at minus 2 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, but the boiling point changes with atmospheric pressure. This means that the higher the altitude, the lower the boiling point. This is why water boils at 68 degrees Celsius on the top of Mount Everest. Sulfur is yellowish in color and in nature it is formed in hot springs and volcanoes. Sulfur is one of the rare materials mentioned in the Bible. There are more than 10 instances in the Holy Book where it is mentioned that fire and brimstone has an acrid odor similar to volcanic activity. Halogen light is a variety of light source that provides higher efficiency and quality of light than a normal incandescent lamp. It uses thermal emission from a white hot tungsten filament to radiate its light. The halogen bulbs, however, have some drawbacks as they emit harmful ultraviolet light and get very hot. The first element in the periodic table, hydrogen, is one of the most abundant elements on all the planets, especially on Jupiter. Hydrogen is highly inflammable, but it is used in many industrial processes such as metallurgy and manufacturing electronics. It is also used as a fuel in spacecrafts and for manufacturing ammonia. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching.